Have you ever felt like you're walking through a storm, with chaos swirling all around you? Do you long for a safe place, a sanctuary where you can find true peace and protection? There's a powerful and ancient text that speaks directly to this human need, a promise of divine shelter that has brought comfort to millions for thousands of years. It's Psalm 91, and today, we are going to dive deep into its message of hope and security. The psalm begins with a beautiful declaration. Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. Think about that for a moment. It's not about occasionally visiting God. It's about dwelling there, making His presence your permanent home. When you live in that secret place, you're not just protected. You get to rest under His mighty shadow. It's an image of complete intimacy and safety, like a child being shielded by a loving parent. This isn't just poetry. It's an invitation to a deeper relationship. The psalmist then says, I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in whom I trust. This is a personal commitment. It's one thing to know God is a refuge, but it's another to declare Him as your refuge. It's about actively placing your trust in Him, choosing faith over fear. When you do this, the psalm promises deliverance. It says He will save you from the fowler's snare and the deadly pestilence. These are metaphors for all the hidden dangers and sudden troubles that can catch us off guard in life. The unexpected job loss, the sudden illness, the betrayal of a friend. God promises to be our deliverer from both the traps we don't see coming and the crises that threaten to overwhelm us. The imagery gets even more tender. He will cover you with His feathers, and under His wings you will find refuge. Picture a mother eagle gathering her young under her powerful wings. She protects them from predators, shields them from the storm, and keeps them warm. This is how God cares for us. His faithfulness isn't just a vague concept. It's our shield and rampart, a solid, unbreachable defense against the attacks that come our way. It's a protection that surrounds us completely. Now, this is where the promises get incredibly bold. The psalm says you will not fear the terror of night, nor the arrow that flies by day. This covers everything, from the anxieties that keep you awake at 3 a.m. to the challenges you face in broad daylight. The promise continues, saying that even if 1,000 fall at your side, or 10,000 at your right hand, it will not come near you. This doesn't mean we'll never face difficulty, but it means that in the midst of widespread disaster, those who dwell in God's shelter have a unique and supernatural protection. You will be an observer of the chaos, but you yourself will be kept safe in His care. Why? The psalm gives us the reason: because you have made the Lord your dwelling place, the Most High, who is my refuge. It all comes back to that initial choice to dwell with Him. When you make God your home, He commands His angels concerning you to guard you in all your ways. They will lift you up in their hands, so that you will not strike your foot against a stone. This is a promise of detailed, moment-by-moment care. It's not just about surviving big disasters. It's about being guided and protected through the small stumbles of daily life. The psalm concludes with God Himself speaking, making a series of incredible promises to the one who loves and acknowledges Him. Because He loves me, says the Lord, I will rescue him. I will protect him, for he acknowledges my name. He will call on me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. With long life I will satisfy him and show him my salvation. What an ending! It's a divine commitment. If you love Him, He will rescue you. If you call on Him, He will answer. He won't just watch from a distance. He will be with you in trouble. And He doesn't just deliver you. He honors you and satisfies you with a full life, crowned with His salvation. So, how do we apply this? It starts with a choice. The choice to dwell, to trust, and to love. Make God your home today. Speak His promises over your life. When fear creeps in, declare that He is your refuge and fortress. Psalm 91 isn't just a beautiful poem. It's a spiritual reality available to everyone who chooses to step into that secret place of the Most High. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Psalm 91. If this message resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more content that explores faith in a real and practical way. May you find rest in the shadow of the Almighty this week.